Okay, how do we can calculate the number of occurrences of a letter in a phrase? We have defined a variable called phrase and it has this content, a string that says Python is amazing. We can count, for example, the number of a vowels that appears in this phrase. So we can use the count method of the XTR object. Phrase is a XTR object, a string. So we can create another variable called a total and assign the content of the count method. Phrase dot count. For this function we need to pass a parameter, the subtext that we want to find. In this case we want to find the a vowel. Now we can print in the console the contents of the total variable. We can count manually the number of A's in this phrase. 1, 2. That will be the content of the total variable. We can execute this code using the yellow button and we get 2 in the terminal. And another example. I will copy these 2 lines of code and paste here. Search for P for the constant P. What will be the value for the total variable? The count method is case sensitive. That means that the P we are searching is not equal to this one. This is the P in the Python word is an uppercase, so it is different from P in lowercase. So total will get 0. That is the result that we get in the terminal for the total variable. Okay.